buddy. That's a good spot. You need to hold my hand near.
Oh!
Hayes in Brooklyn, what is it?
A dinosaur truck. Seriously, man. A dinosaur! We need to find a dinosaur.
Here she comes, Miss America. Brooklyn's pretty much had it with all of our hiking. So hungry? We've been hiking for like 3 minutes. Look at the camera. See, I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry.
Poor Brookie. She's a hard life. I think this thing looks just like an elephant. That's the trunk, the eye. Hazen's on top of the head. Brookie's up in there too. What did you find?
Well, I was thinking.
It's a cave?
How?
Oh, it's so cool in here.
Yeah, it's like warm. It's like hot. I mean cold.
What are you doing?
I need shade.
You trying to get in the shade?
I need to take my shirt off.
Look how blue the sky is. Here they come. Brookie's super happy.
Whoa.
Oh, so cool. Hazen, look at this. This is so cool.
We watch her. Although the water's shooting through here.
Careful, babe.
We don't listen.
Can I get down now?
You're so strong.
Can I get down now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just a minute.
What is it?
Makeup thing.
Makeup.
Brooklyn, follow me. Okay.
Hazen, can you stop running?
You want to help me?
Sure.
Of wet sand and one layer of this sand.
The rocks over there if you want to go watch.
Can I do it?
This is
These are the
crazy.
switchbacks.
Mike biked up this for the Ironman St. George. I think also the record should show that Brooklyn's been very naughty today.
Very, very naughty.
Very naughty.
Look at her.
Look
So
at her.
naughty.
She's so naughty. Where are we walking now, bud? In a lava field.
Yeah.
Snow Canyon lava field. Isn't that cool? What's in your pockets?
Lava rock?
Whoa, okay, step back.
What?
That's the tube. Holy cowbell. I'm not going down there.
That was wrong.
It says you need 3 people, a flashlight, and a first aid kit. And I've got sandals on. And it's just the 2 of us. Sorry, bud.